Pay close attention. Your angel is trying to tell you something that will change your life right now. It's no coincidence that you are here, at this exact moment. You are so focused on yourself, and that is powerful, it is transformative. Finally, you are feeling what it means to truly look at yourself, dive deep into your emotions, and embrace self-love. And in this flow, in this intense energy, new possibilities are emerging. I know you've already healed a lot, left behind old pains, but there is still a path to travel, and the universe is conspiring to show you this. Stay with me until the end, because what comes next will open your eyes in a way you never imagined. You have reached a point in your life where the confidence you have in yourself is palpable. It's not that forced confidence, which seems like a facade to hide insecurities. On the contrary, it is true confidence that comes from a deep place where you finally recognize all your qualities. You see your value, not arrogantly, but with a serenity that only someone who truly knows themselves can have. It's almost hard to explain, but you feel deep down that you are a good person. And this is not just a passing thought, it's something you know for sure. You know that, in your day-to-day life, you do your best to be someone who spreads kindness and makes a difference. And because of this, you feel so loved by God, who created you with so much care and purpose, and who guides your every step. This confidence you have, this light you emit, does not go unnoticed. The people around you notice it. It's as if you have become a magnet, attracting looks and attention. And among all those gazes, there is one person in particular who is always there in the background, watching you with special attention. This person may not be communicating much now, but don't be fooled. The fact that they are not approaching does not mean they are not interested. It could be exactly the opposite. Maybe they are waiting for the right moment, that instant when everything aligns perfectly to take the first step. Perhaps they are reflecting, preparing so that when the time is right, they can connect with you on a deeper level. It's interesting to think that while you are in this phase of growth, this person is also walking their own path. They are strengthening themselves, preparing, so that when the meeting happens, it will be at the ideal moment when both of you will be ready for this connection. Now, the most important thing is for you to continue on this journey of self-confidence. Keep radiating who you truly are, because the universe is working in your favor. God is taking care of every detail, preparing the perfect setting for this connection to happen naturally and harmoniously. You are exactly where you should be, and you can trust that everything will happen at the right time, according to the divine plan that is laid out for you. You're going through an interesting phase, aren't you? Someone is clearly interested in you, but at the same time, this situation has left you feeling uncomfortable, as if you're not being a priority. It's stressful, I know. But look, while this is happening, you are not standing still. You are following your heart, chasing your dreams, and going after what you truly want in life. Your energy, full of passion and dreams, is drawing attention, and the person you think about so much keeps their eyes on you, even though someone else is doing everything to have that attention. Lately, it seems like opportunities have been popping up from all sides, especially in your professional life. This only reinforces how much you are emanating an irresistible energy in all aspects of your life. The people around you notice this. They can't resist your natural charm, and you feel this clearly, a sense of joy that makes you feel like you are living in a true paradise on earth. All this positive vibe, this contagious energy, comes from the fact that you are focused on yourself. You are truly loving yourself, feeling good about who you are, comfortable in your own skin. And this self-confidence, this self-love, is exactly what people find so captivating about you. They see you as someone utterly irresistible, and for a good reason. Your inner glow, which reflects all this happiness and personal fulfillment, is something that does not go unnoticed. And this is what continues to attract glances and opportunities, making your presence felt wherever you are. This combination of passion for your dreams, self-confidence, and self-love creates a magnetic aura around you, making it impossible for others to ignore your unique glow. You are pure light, and those around you, in one way or another, end up being illuminated by you. That special person you carry in your thoughts, who occupies a place no one else can fill, is more connected to you than you might imagine. They not only think of you but are deeply impacted by your presence in their dreams and in moments when they try to understand what this connection means. This person is not just anyone. It is someone who somehow shines, whether because of their position in society or the affection they receive from the people around them. What attracts them to you is not something you find easily. It's your unique energy, something that moves them in a way that few things can. The connection you both share goes far beyond what the eyes can see. There is something deeply emotional and spiritual that links you, something that touches every layer of being. They see in you a strength that goes beyond the physical, something they admire and respect. The way you carry yourself, how you face challenges with elegance, and above all, your spirituality, are things they value deeply. You both have something in common that is very rare, a spiritual energy that you protect, a mutual understanding that not everyone deserves to be close to this very personal side of yours. Just like you, this person avoids conflicts and seeks harmony in their relationships, which only strengthens the connection between you. From the beginning, they felt something different about you, a connection that can't be explained just with words. It's not just your appearance that catches the eye, although it undeniably plays an important role. What truly makes their heart beat faster is this harmony you share, this feeling that you are on the same wavelength. You have a solid foundation, built on values and dreams that seem to align perfectly, creating a rare and special mutual understanding. It is as if, somehow, you knew each other even before you exchanged a word, and this brings a sense of comfort and security that few people can offer. They feel that you fill spaces in their life that they didn't even know were empty, and this feeling creates an almost irresistible attraction, a force that pulls them toward you in a way they cannot avoid. This person, who is now in your life, has already traveled an intense journey of self-discovery and transformation. It wasn't easy to get here. They have invested as much time as energy to heal from past wounds, to understand their own emotions, traumas, and deepest desires. And this whole process has turned them into someone sensitive, empathetic, able to see beyond appearances. They feel a genuine and spiritual connection with those who cross their path, but in a special way, this connection is even stronger with you. They see in you something unique that goes beyond what is common. Even though their desire for a true and lasting commitment is great, they are not willing to get involved with just anyone. The truth is that, although many around them want to be in their company, it doesn't affect them. They are looking for something deeper, something that is in tune with their spiritual evolution. It is this search for a connection that makes sense for the soul that has made them perceive you differently. Some people may see them as someone who collects hearts, a conqueror. But know that, for them, you are not just another person. On the contrary, they feel that by your side, they can finally find what they have been looking for, a true relationship, where they can settle down and build something real and meaningful. They see in you the ability to treat them uniquely, with the consideration, respect, and affection they have always desired. And this perception makes them believe that, with you, they can find the peace and love they have been longing for. Thus, they don't want a passing adventure. They don't desire something superficial. They are ready for something deeper, a relationship that resonates with the soul, where both can grow together and find true happiness. And they see in you this possibility, this chance to finally build something that truly matters. You are like a safe harbor where this person has found a place of peace and comfort. Your presence is so warm and illuminated that they feel at home by your side, as if they were in a refuge where the divine goodness within them can fully flourish. It is your energy, filled with light and love, that makes this person feel deeply inspired, leading them to reconnect with their spirituality in a way they may have never experienced before. It is very likely that, because of your influence, they have gone through a true spiritual awakening. They have started to distance themselves from things and people that used to surround them but did not contribute to their well-being. Now they are more aware of their choices and extremely careful about whom they decide to keep close. This change did not happen by chance. It reflects a genuine desire to protect the new journey they are on, keeping around them only those who truly help them grow and evolve. And among all the people around them, you shine uniquely. There is something in you that touches this person deeply, something that makes them feel intense and true emotions. It's not just a matter of admiration or affection, it is a deeper connection that transcends the superficial. They recognize that your presence has a direct impact on their personal growth, helping them become a better version of themselves. This is why they feel so attracted to you, not just emotionally, but also spiritually. They greatly value the connection you have, seeing it as a space for mutual growth and the sharing of meaningful moments. This makes them want to be even closer to you, not only to share experiences, but also to share the process of self-discovery and evolution they are living. They feel that, by your side, they are on the right path to achieve something greater and higher, and this makes them want to invest even more in the relationship you may have. Maybe you two are really a destined pair, united not just by chance but by something greater that surpasses common understanding. This relationship, which is now beginning to gain strength, may carry a depth that you have not yet fully discovered. The person who now walks by your side, who was once immersed in a circle of superficiality and empty interests, finds in you a source of inspiration that goes beyond what they could imagine. Your spirituality, your unique way of seeing the world, touches this person's heart so specially that it awakens in them a genuine desire to change, to evolve. You are more than just a companion. You are a living example of growth and transformation. Your journey of self-discovery and your commitment to becoming a better person have been a light guiding this person, pushing them to seek their own spiritual awakening. They see in you a peace, a strength, and a wisdom that encourage them to become a higher version of themselves, to commit deeply to themselves and to you. Perhaps you are not fully aware of the impact you are making, but it is important to know that this connection you are building is a direct result of your inner work. You have dedicated yourself to knowing yourself, to healing your wounds, to praying, and to raising your vibration. You have transformed into the best version of yourself, and now God, in His infinite goodness, is bringing you what you truly deserve. And the most incredible thing of all is that you did not have to chase after it desperately. It just happened. This person, this love, this connection is coming to you because you have created the necessary space in your life for the best to come to you. Now what you need to do is allow this love to grow, to develop, knowing that everything you have planted, both in terms of love and spirituality, is beginning to bloom right before your eyes. There is no rush, no need to force anything. Just trust the process and allow things to follow their natural course. Love, when genuine, strengthens over time, and the relationship you are building has everything to be a beautiful story of mutual growth and fulfillment. Finally, this deep and unexpected connection has come to you in a surprising way, without you having to look for it. This is a clear and divine sign that you might be a destined pair, something that God carefully prepared for both of you. Even if now you do not see concrete evidence or have not yet had a direct conversation with this person, it is important that you feel, deep in your heart, that they are awakening to this connection. They have been watching you closely, with genuine and growing interest, and a conversation between you is about to happen. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what choice you make. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.